Hey guys, Hoon here from Pittsburgh Prep. Thanks for joining me for lesson number 5 as we tackle modifiers today. Modifiers may seem very logical and easy to understand, and they are, but they're just as easy to actually make mistakes. So we'll help you and guide you to really master this concept so that you can catch your errors and make sure that we can really resolve any kind of issues that may come up as it pertains to modifiers. What are modifiers? Well, modifiers are words that tend to describe. So words that add color or value to things like adjectives or adverbs are all modifiers. So there's 3 categories of modifiers. There are adjectives, adverbs, and modifying phrases. You'll really get to learn what they are in your lesson. But if I were to give you a sentence and I were to add modifiers to them, say I walked to my car. In a typical sentence like this, I can add modifiers. First, I can add let's say an adjective. An adjective is a word that describes a noun. In this sentence, there are 2 nouns. Well, 1 pronoun and 1 noun. There's a pronoun I and there's a noun car. So let's modify the car by calling it, say, the red car or purple car. I can also modify the verb, walked. And when I do so, I would add an adverb. And usually in an adverbial addition, you want to add it at the end of the verb. So, something like, I walked slowly to my purple car. Notice that these modifiers are not necessary in a sentence. However, they add color and value and more of a description to that sentence. Now, again, it might seem really easy to understand now, but make sure to pay attention to the common errors that really many of our peers really tend to make. It's something that you might think, hey, you know what, I've been speaking this language for a long time, I know this stuff, but more often I see students making these kinds of mistakes. So you really need to train your mind to make sure that you can identify these errors when they come up. And there are 2 or 3 common errors that come up often, and they tend to be dangling modifiers, or misplaced modifiers, or just incorrect usage of the type of modifiers that are used. Once you can get a handle on that, you should really see some major score improvements on your SAT test, as well as making sure that you can again become a superb writer. Alright you guys, thanks for joining me today here in writing lesson 4, and I will catch you guys in the next preview lesson.